Welcome to Chef Pachi's Potatoes Made in the Baby Cook. For all you moms that are busy, the baby cook is for much more than cooking for our kids. Here's what I do with my grandchildren's baby cook. So, I'm going to cook some potatoes for my husband and I. I place water in the level 3. And then, if my potatoes are of different sizes, I just slice the larger potatoes, not all the way through, but almost in half. Wash my potatoes, place them in the baby cook container, and there they go, right into the container. Between 6 and 10 small potatoes will fit. And it's perfect for a couple of servings. Check it out, turn it on, and forget about the potatoes. Once it beeps, you can come right then, or you can leave them there for a little bit until you're ready to eat. Then check it out. It's amazing. They're perfectly done. No water boiling, no salted water, no mess. And you have an amazing potato. You could also roast them later on a grill or on a barbecue or in the oven if you have an evening meal and you want to keep them for later. Those I cooked with some rosemary. Now I made some yogurt sauce that I make all the time. And it's very simple. It's made of yogurt and the recipe follows. You can even make it with coconut yogurt. And here we go. Enjoy Chef Pachi for all you moms. It's amazing.